So many candidates sit for IELTS exam and do really well in listening, reading and speaking, while obtain a low band score in IELTS writing. Yet, there are so many reasons behind this why most of the candidates obtain low band score in IELTS writing. You can just work on your writing skills and improve if you practice in the right ways. In this video, I'll be sharing how to practice IELTS writing more efficiently and more productively. So, coming up. First of all, you need to know the test format of IELTS writing. You will have two tasks in IELTS writing. In task 1, you will be given 20 minutes to write a graph, table, chart, process, flowchart, picture, map or leveling. You will have to write at least 150 words. While for general test candidates, you will have to write a letter of at least 150 words within 20 minutes. For academic or general test candidates, you will have to write an essay of at least 250 words in writing task 2. You will have 40 minutes to write an essay in IELTS writing task 2, either for academic candidates or general test candidates. Explore the marking criteria, area of marking. Be clear on marking criteria in writing task 1 and writing task 2. There are so many things that you need to know of IELTS writing task 2. So, in this case, know do's and don'ts of IELTS writing, very especially in writing task 2. You can watch my related video and explore more about do's and don'ts of IELTS writing task 2. The video link is given in descriptions below. Know how to use grammar. Grammar is one of the most strongest parts of IELTS writing task 2. Grammar. It weighs 25% marks in IELTS writing, either in part 1 or part 2. So know how to use grammar more correctly and appropriately. You can watch my related videos how to be good at grammar. You can find the video link in descriptions below. Basically, you must have pristine ideas on writing simple sentence, complex sentence, compound sentence, use of active voice, use of passive voice, most importantly, good use of modal verbs. Very especially, you must have use of degrees in task 1, like superlative degrees. Now, the next one is reading. The more you read, the more you can develop your writing. If you are good at in reading, definitely you can develop your writing, because writing is a skill. It is really connected with reading skills as well. So, if you are good at in reading skills, certainly you can develop your writing skills. You have numerous options to use different things from reading to writing. To explore more about that, watch my related video, How to be good at reading. You can find the video link from descriptions below. Now, let's talk about sample answers. To be good at writing, you can practice with sample answers of 987. To obtain a high band score in IELTS writing, there's no way without practicing with sample answers. In this case, you can practice with 9-base sample answers, 8-base sample answers, or 7-base sample answers. You can explore so many ideas over there. You can find plenty of options of using grammatical range, vocabularies, ideas, how they are connected the ideas and obtain such band score. So, if you just act and apply that ideas, that vocabularies, or that grammatical structures, your writing should be entirely changed. And suddenly, you can expect a high band score from your own writing. So, make a plan and practice with sample answers as much as you can, even before the exam day. It is most important that know how to organize essay more logically. The more logical your ideas of your essay, the more better options to get a high band score from your writing. Practice your writing with time frame. You will have 20 minutes in writing task 1 and 40 minutes in writing task 2. So you can practice task 1 and task 2 within time frame at your home so that you can finish your writing on exam day within your given time. If you just practice either task 1 and task 2 within time frame, you can diagnose so many things if you just practice under your own exam condition at home. After diagnostic, if you just work on your mistakes, work on your findings, your writing should be really changed. Okay, make a plan that really boosts your writing score. For example, when you practice, you can use more authentic materials of your writing, especially for task 1 or task 2. Practice with exam questions. You can find the exam questions in each Cambridge book. You also can find the real exam questions in British Council or IDP website. Practice on real exam questions. Write task 1 or task 2. Identify your mistakes. Then work on your mistakes. If you don't work on your mistakes, you can think to improve your writing. Most importantly, ensure good grammar in your IELTS writing. Make sure you spell correctly. In writing task 2, make more logical structures. Make more logical sentences. You will also have consistency in your ideas to obtain a high band score in your IELTS writing. Make sure you will have good grammar and how to use that. Finally, let's talk about feedback. Feedback is most crucial things during your practicing of IELTS writing. Find somebody who are really expertise in IELTS writing. Every day, if you just practice task 1 and task 2 over and over, you might not improve until getting a productive feedback from someone who is really expertise in this area. So find someone and write every day, write and review. If you just take more reviews from your expertise, you will have more options to work on your mistakes. When you are working on your own mistakes, your score should be improved. Your expertise will identify your own mistakes and you will be given the ways how to improve that. Work on your mistakes. Every day write and practice. I think your writing should be improved. Okay, I think you found this video more useful. If you do so, give a thumbs up. If you are new here, subscribe on my channel to get upcoming all videos. Have a happy learning. Thanks for watching. Bye.